Uni, weekend, coming over. Fendi out, she like, she pulling in a Rover.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Passion, and today I'm going to be unboxing a new pair of sunglasses that I ordered. These sunglasses are from the luxury brand Burberry, and they are the Burberry Motif square frame sunglasses. They came in this really nice sturdy box, and inside of this box it came with an information booklet which tells me all about the sunglasses. It also came with a cleaning cloth that you will see me unwrapping right here, and it's the standard cleaning cloth that you get with most sunglasses. It's made out of like a silky fabric. I'm not exactly sure what fabric it is, but it's silky and it helps clean the lens of the sunglasses. It also came with a little travel bag, like a dust bag for the sunglasses, and I thought that's really cute. And it came in this nice carrying case that is magnetic, and I think that's pretty cool to have that for the sunglasses as well, to help keep them safe, to keep them protected. And you know, I could drop the sunglasses in the case, drop it in my purse, drop it in the suitcase, and you know, travel with it. So here are the beautiful sunglasses. As I mentioned earlier, these are the Burberry Motif square frame sunglasses, and I got them in the lilac color with the brown gradient lens. And you guys, these are not polarized sunglasses, just keep that in mind. So they don't have UV protection. They are square shaped, and the lens width is 55. The nose bridge width is 20. The arm length is 140, and the lens height is 45. For those of you who are interested in the dimensions and you know, just want to know more about the specs of the sunglasses. They are also made from plastic, and you cannot put your prescription lens in these sunglasses. I purchased these sunglasses for my upcoming birthday trip in September, and y'all, I feel like these are the perfect statement sunglasses. They are oversized, but they're still very classy, and they don't look bulky like some oversized sunglasses do. They're very lightweight. They're not heavy at all. They're really cute, and I feel like they are an attention grabbing piece. Like, people will definitely be asking me where I got these sunglasses from when I do wear them. I love the bead detail. You guys, when I first saw these sunglasses on Blushmark, and as you know, Blushmark makes dupes, and I was like, where are these sunglasses from? Like, I wanted to know who the original designer was. So I searched first for Balenciaga, and it wasn't Balenciaga. And then I searched Balmain, and it wasn't Balmain. And then finally I was like, oh, Burberry. And for those of you who do not know, Burberry is my favorite designer. I know I'm a Gucci girl, I know I'm a Louis girl, I know I love Tom Ford, but Burberry is my favorite designer. So I was so excited to find these sunglasses and be able to finally have a pair of Burberry sunglasses. This is my first pair. I don't have any other Burberry sunglasses, so I'm really excited to have these. I purchased these sunglasses from a website called easycontacts.com, and they were originally $343, but I got them on sale for $195.37. And during the checkout process, they gave me a coupon, so they ended up being $174 total. They were on back order when I ordered them, so that's why you see the ship date and the order date are about 2 weeks apart from each other. Y'all, I am in love with these sunglasses, and I think you guys should get them if you are interested in them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye! It's just right.